Good morning, Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk, trading with strong automatic trading this morning on the ES, okay? The ES, the mini future of the S&P index. It is 4/4/23/908 and change Pacific time. We have a zero close P&L. We have 8 contract positions short right now, target below, stop above. We have about a $13,000 open P&L hovering right in there. Our daily candlestick is right here, okay? And so we'll check back on this trade in a little bit. Okay, we have some fast-moving markets, and it can be hard to catch these trades. These are large trades, as you can see, and we're down near our target. Now, no one knows if we're going to hit our target or stop first. As we can see with the daily candlestick, though, we're below the last candlestick, so we printed above and below the last daily candlestick. So this is our current day right here, and we see we have a ways to go down if we decide to do that today. Right now, we don't know. Nobody knows. This trade could actually hit its stop before the target, so we'll check back in on it in a bit. Okay, we're getting down here close again to our target. You can see price line right down close to our target. We've been there before. Take a look at this area. Take a look at this area. Now we're down in this area. Will we hit our target this time? We might, but nobody knows for sure when we'll either hit target or stop, okay? This is completely no hands trading though. So here we are, and we could hover around like this for a long time without hitting our target. So as you can see, our stop's above, our target's below. We've been in this trade for a while. We're up over 14 grand in this current trade. Our open P&L is 0 right now, okay? That's going to change if we hit target, okay? It will change in a pretty big way, right? So we're almost there. But we are on the ES, okay? The ES, okay? Look at the volume here. Look how fast I'm printing these bars. Pretty fast for the ES. You might say these bars are printing about every 5 seconds or so, sometimes even faster than that. And as you can see, we have well over 100 contracts. ES, okay, where you can move quite a few contracts. So in other words, accounts that are largely scaled, we're talking institutions, hedge funds, they are chock full trading in the ES, okay? So it's a serious instrument for serious traders, okay, that like to be in there with all the rest of them that are trading the large volume, okay? So as you can see, this could go on forever, okay? And so nobody knows the next tick of the market. So I was hoping to catch it when it went down here, but so far haven't, okay? And as you can see, here we are, and this is price line, and the ES can do this for long periods of time till it wants to move into another location, okay? And as a general rule, when you're trading the ES, your order will fill when price flows through your tick because there's so many on the bid and ask. Rarely do I get filled by just hitting my bid, hitting my target, okay? So normally it's going to have to flow through the tick, and so we're going to wait and see if that happens. Okay, it had a little downward momentum there, and I thought it was going to catch it, but as you can see, no cigar. We are just literally floating down here. Now, what's the temptation? We're almost to our target. Do I take this target? Do I just say, hey, I'm close enough? Drag my target into price and take it? No, I don't. Why don't I do that? Because I have a data set. I'm trading on a large data set, and my data set tells me what the results are, letting it hit the target where it's supposed to hit, okay? So I don't want to take it too early. I don't want to take it too late. I want that target right when it's time to hit target, okay? And as you can see, nobody knows when that time is, okay? And so I'm entering into the probabilities of the market with automatic trading, and I'm just waiting for it to hit my target. Here we are, ticks away, ticks away. It could go for quite some time here before it hits target, or it might just slam right into it now because we've been down here. Now you can see it's hitting it. There we go. Boom! And you saw it go right through, and now we're in another trade, okay? So we hit target, and now what are we? We're long! Look, we were short. We just hit target going short. Now we're going long, okay? Now we're long. So we'll see how this turns out. By the way, closed P&L, $15,000, okay? And still trading. Okay, we're peeking back in for the end of day close on the E8 contracts we're currently long. Close P&L 15,000, open P&L around 4 grand. We're hovering between the S1 and S2 pivot in price. Now once again, targets above, stops below. And we have about 20 seconds left till the cash close of the American stock market. And we're going to have a no hands exit here. You can see our open P&L around 5 grand. We're coming up on the no hands exit. There it is, 19,800 on 8 contracts, okay? On the ES, then 2 grand a contract, much better. 19,800 on 8 contracts on the ES. Automatic trading, 4/4/23. 1 p.m. and change Pacific time. Cash close of the American stock market. That is our exits. 19,800 close P&L. The results speak for themselves.